Hey guys, and welcome back to our series. If your website template has a pop up menu or kind of like this hamburger menu instead of the traditional header menu, then we're going to show you how you can customize it. It's very simple and easy, so let's get started. First, go to Pages and Menu on the left. Go to Pop ups and select Site Menu. It will open your pop-up menu over here on the right. To change your pop-up menu's background, click on it and click on Design. From here, you can select a color, an image, or even a video. So select one you'd like to use. To edit your menu item's design, click on it and click on Design once again. From here, you can select a layout you'd like to use. And to further customize it, click on Customize Design. And from here, you can tweak its fill color and opacity, shadow, texts, as well as spacing. So go ahead and customize it however you want to. Once you're done editing your pop-up menu, you can then click on Save to save your progress. And there you have it. Super quick and easy. That's it for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.